Welcome to Read Out Loud. Let's enjoy and have some fun. Hello kids, how are you today? Today, let's learn about letter D. This is the letter D. The sound of letter D is D, D, D. D is for dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. D is for dragonfly, dragonfly, dragonfly. D is for door, door, door. D is for dad, dad, dad. D is for dice, dice, dice. D is for duck, duck, duck. D is for deer, deer, deer. D is for doctor, doctor, doctor. D is for dam, dam, dam. That was awesome! Let's do it again. Please repeat after me. Dolphin, dolphin. Deer, deer. Dragonfly, dragonfly. Dice, dice. Door, door. Dad, dad. Duck, duck. Dam, dam. Doctor, doctor. Very good, guys! You are really smart. Please remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching Read Out Loud. See you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!